almost
कैसे हैं आप
running into each
उम्मीद
other.
करता हूँ आप सब अच्छे से होंगे और आप सभी का मोस्ट वेलकम है आपके अपने चैनल पर।
Consistent with your bowling. You want to be consistent with your lines, erring in line there. Easy
शुक्रिया
pick.
अदा करता हूँ मैं आने के लिए और
Gorgeous,
दोस्तों इस चैनल पर
absolutely
आपको
gorgeous.
ऐसे ही
With on
contents
offer,
मिलते रहते हैं।
silky
हम इस
smooth
चैनल
from
पर
DDP. Big
एजुकेशन से
time.
रिलेटेड और बच्चों से रिलेटेड गेम से
That is more the DDP we want to see.
रिलेटेड वीडियोस अपलोड करते हैं।
A little shimmy down the track, gets to the pitch of the ball, deposits this over the side screen.
तो वीडियो को प्लीज लाइक जरूर करिएगा क्योंकि
Excellent
आपके
use
एक
of the
लाइक से
feet
हमें मोटिवेशन
and
मिलता है
beautiful flow of
और
the
हमें
hands
अगली
as
वीडियो
well.
बनाने का दिल करता है और हमें ऐसा
Staying
लगता है कि
beside the line of the ball so he
हमारी
can
जो
free his
वीडियो है वो
arms.
पसंद आ रही है और
Commitments.
हमने जो इस वीडियो में मेहनत की है
What a
वो
hit!
रंग लाई है तो प्लीज वीडियो को लाइक
Rubbing
जरूर
shot
करिएगा और
in
ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर
very
जरूर
deep
करिएगा
wounds
ताकि
for
और
Manwant
भी जो
Kumar.
हमारे दूसरे व्यूवर्स है वो भी हमारे
Manwant's shoulders
वीडियोस
have slumped.
से फायदा उठा
Bowling
सके
so well,
और
turning
इस
up the
चैनल
pace
पर
and now
आपको
gets
ऐसे ही
smacked for a
एजुकेशन
single
से
playing against a
रिलेटेड
quality
एंटरटेनमेंट से
batsman.
रिलेटेड
Too short
नॉलेजफुल
in
वीडियोस
the hitting
मिलते रहते
arc.
हैं
And
और
Padikkal,
चैनल
no
पर
doubt
पहली
at
बार आए
all in
हैं
his
तो प्लीज
mind,
चैनल
swung
को
it so
सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूले
efficiently
क्योंकि
over mid wicket. Huge six.
हम
Does
जब
someone
भी
catch
कोई
it
नई
in the
वीडियो
first
अपलोड
off so far
करेंगे
from
उसकी
Pandey?
सबसे पहली नोटिफिकेशन आपको
Oh, here we
मिलेगी
go.
और आप हमारे
Padikkal can do
वीडियो
it. Sisodia
से
can do it
फायदा
bigger
उठा
and
सकेंगे।
better.
दोस्तों
Over
इसी
mid
तरह
wicket
अपना
into the
प्यार
second
और
tier.
सपोर्ट
Just
बनाए
brilliant.
रखिए क्योंकि
Manwant, the
आपका
quicker he's
प्यार और
bowling,
सपोर्ट
the quicker
हमारे
the
लिए
ball's
बहुत
disappearing
जरूरी
over the boundary
है और ये
line.
चैनल आपका
What a
है
really
और
field.
हम सिर्फ यहाँ पे
First, Devdutt
आपके लिए
Padikkal
आते
and now
हैं और
Loveneet
ये
Sisodia
contents
picks that one
आपके
from
लिए
outside
upload
the
करते
off
हैं, तो
stump.
enjoy करिए हमारे
High
contents
and
को
handsome
और आपके कुछ
at all.
कमेंट्स होंगे तो कमेंट करते रहिए
Beautifully hit.
suggestion होंगे तो
Will that
suggest
go all
करते
the way?
रहिए, हमें
Yes, it
अच्छा लगता
does.
है आप कमेंट करते
A
हैं
reverse sweep this by
हम फिर मिलेंगे
Loveneet
आपको फिर
Sisodia.
किसी नए
Like
वीडियो
us
में
time the same.
नए
Why
टॉपिक
did
के
you play
साथ
that
तब
shot?
तक के लिए
But it's
दोस्तों
very, very
आपके
productive if
छोटे
you know
भाई को
exactly
इजाज़त
where
दीजिए
you want to
और
play the
चैनल पर
reverse.
इसी तरह प्यार और सपोर्ट बनाए रखिए क्योंकि आपके प्यार और सपोर्ट के
There
बिना
it is.
दोस्तों हम
Devdutt
कुछ भी नहीं
Padikkal
हैं। तो
has
please
gone
चैनल को
outside the stadium
support
and
करिए
what a hit.
और
It
content
was the
अच्छे
shorter
लगे तो
side of the
ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा
ground,
like
but
करिए, शेयर करिए
he
और
really gave it
सब्सक्राइब
an
करना ना भूलें
almighty
दोस्तों,
heave ho.
क्योंकि आपके एक सब्सक्राइब से हमें
That was in the slot.
मोटिवेशन मिलता है
That's in
और
the
हमें
air.
आपके
There is a
support की
fielder.
बहुत
He's
ज़रूरत
got
है।
him.
तो
That's wicket number one
प्यार
for the
और
Hubli
support बनाए
Tigers. Is
रखिए
that man
और मैं
Mohammad
फिर आपसे कहूँगा कि
Taha
इस
running
चैनल पर
around
आपको
to his right
ऐसे
and
ही
takes a
education
nicely
से
well
related,
judged
game से
catch.
related,
Felt like
बच्चों से
going for it.
related, entertainment से
Floated up.
related videos
It was there
मिलते
in the
रहते हैं,
slot,
हम ऐसे
but
ही
caught the
videos
outer half of
upload
the bat.
करते
But how
हैं। तो बने
smartly did
रहिए
Taha
हमारे
take
चैनल
that?
पर
Very
और
close to
इसी
the
तरह
boundary,
प्यार
just
और
about a
support
few inches
बनाए
inside,
रखिए। अपना ख्याल
running to his
रखिए।
right, kept
Have a
good balance.
nice day.
Lucky as well. 46 for him. Oh, that's gone. That's gone all the way. Loveneet Sisodia is taking on from where Devdutt Padikkal left off.
Well, a rare loose delivery in the striking circle. Loveneet didn't have to try and hit it too hard. And he caught that really well. Straight behind the bowler. 6 runs. Thank you very much. There was a long time he suffered.
This time he's gone mid-wicket. There is a fielder straight to him. He's not going to miss it. Manish Pandey it is. He seems to be at the right place at the right time always.
Not only does he have really good hands, Manish Pandey, but I think his anticipation, his understanding of the game moved across very quickly. You can argue that it was a lot easier. Should be 4, will be 4. Anything's possible. Anish KV, first real sign of aggression. They have just been brilliant, and who else but Manish Pandey?
Great catching this. Miscue, a little bit of turn, ball slower through the air, but look at this for a catch. Makes it look very simple.
7 for 3. How quickly the complexion of this game has changed. Oh, make it number 4 maybe. Disastrous.
He's quick to move on to the ball. And he is certainly gone. This confirmation of OUT.
Much potential, but it just unfortunately hasn't translated to runs. And it's not something that you want to be.
We have Praveen Dubey there. That's in the air. It's gone all the way. That's a beautiful hit. He fetched it from outside off stump. The good thing is he continued with the stroke and didn't bail out.
I'll have my man next ball. Does the same thing. This time an outer edge should be taken. And it is very, very easy. I kind of almost anticipated that, thinking Casey will say, same ball. Next time he's not likely to get as much bat when he plays it horizontally. And Praveen Dubey, 6.
Kumar holds on to it. Praveen Dubey, he should have gone on the offside. He would have got 6 more. He fetched it from outside the off stump. He knew very well what the length would be, what the line would be that KC Cariappa bowls.
Picked up 3 last time. Just a shade too full. It's in the gap. They could take the double quite easily. Oh gosh, no, not a collision, please. You have time to stop. Yes, up and over. That's the way to do it. Utilize the pace of the delivery. That's what they need. Good stuff, Ritesh. Such a valuable all-rounder, Ritesh.
Well, yes,
For both the teams. Slash. And taken. Mohammad Taha, second catch today. I'll have to say that was somewhat comfortable, even though the ball was swirling.
he had to get on with it. He was struggling in the middle. Got it well, but not well enough.
Well, he could have left that for a wide. So brilliantly fielded. Was that caught as well? Wow, Rishi Bopanna enjoying himself.
They can't put a foot wrong, can they, the Hubli Tigers? He would have got a wide for that had he let it go. But take a look at that for a catch. It would go down as probably the top 5 catches in the tournament so far. Rishi Bopanna, not really known.
Last over, handsomely swung. Tried to go for the gap. Oh, a slip. Well, it is slightly greasy in the outfield. That's a huge bonus for Yashwardhan.
Fielding.
High up in the air. Will that carry all the way? Not likely. Should be taken. Oh gosh, by who?
Fields in positions where the ball will definitely come. And take a look at how easy he made this catch. He's run about 15 or 20 yards to his left, and he was there and took it really comfortably.
4 balls to go. Oh wow, full toss. Didn't try and hit it too hard. Best part about that was just put back to ball. Good timing. Just a nice punch ball. Oh, gone. Stump cartwheeling towards the keeper. Head up in the air. Vaishak. Well, he might have started out as a batsman, but we value his bowling, and that's what you need to come back with. 81 for no loss, and now ending at 158 for 9.
Well, Vaishak Vijay Kumar disappointed. While earlier, Gulbarga Mystics put into bat, started off really well. 81 for the first wicket between Padikkal and Loveneet Sisodia before Padikkal threw it away. And so
one of them, the fact that Manish Pandey is the finest fielder in the country for many, many years now. Kavirappa, 1 for 14, well bowled, big man. Kumar, of course, picked up all the rewards because...
With that, runs off the bat, Tipper Reddy is off the mark. Interesting though, it's Sharad Bia with the gloves on. Oh, what a shot! Yeah, make him the president. I don't know of what, but make him the president.
Just leant back a little bit.
Gone! A little slower than you would have liked. Anti-climax.
Exactly what they required in defending a small score. Short and wide, he's in a position, but he finds the fielder. Takes a smart catch in the air.
Driven uppishly, gone! Make it number 2! Once again, Loveneet Sisodia. The Mystics are in this. Game on!
Slip, but they've taken the extra fielder out of the infield. So the batter decides he's going to play his shot, but he finds this fielder. Vaishak Vijay Kumar.
Just tail up. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. That'll run away for 4, but a psychological battle won there by Vaishak Vijay Kumar. He just hurried Manish Pandey there. Oh, where's that second slip? He was there up until a couple of deliveries ago. KL Sreejit can afford to smile. The flags will go up, but that could have been number 3.
20 years of age. Beautifully struck. That's the kind of form and confidence that Sreejit brings into the tournament, and that's why he's part of such a
With a certain amount of elevation, it was bound to clear, and he cleared it quite magnificently. The first 6 of the innings, it's been very, very difficult.
well now. That skids off, beautifully struck. This will be 4, couple of bounces, and KL Sreejit this time makes sweet connection.
More on that later. Up in the air, not in control. Oh, but he plays it so well, Sreejit. It was always going to be.
On middle stump with a little bit of air is going to go. There it is. Manish Pandey breaking the shackles here at the Chinnaswamy Stadium. That's in the air. That's gone all the way as well. KL Srijit tells Manish Pandey, I can hit the ball as well.
Bowling a shade too short. Look at that. Just sat up. Plenty of time for Srijit to say, where do I hit it? Okay, right there. Seat number 292.
Shot ball. He pulls that into oblivion. Top shot into the second tier. They're really turning it on now, the Tigers. A half century under pressure. It'll mean that much more for a gritty cricketer. This.
If he's outsmarted and outplayed Manish Pandey in this particular partnership, it's an innings that is worth remembering. And this might be, for a winning cause, and even better.
Now he's really getting... Oh my goodness, when you thought that he found the gap, he's hit tail.
You never know, this one outside the off stump. He was in the air, no balance whatsoever. And a simple catch.
Anishwar Gautam. Hey, what's the fuss about? I like this pitch. I'm going to take Prithvi downtown. 6 important runs.
You leave your crease, you feel as a bowler you have a chance. He stayed well within the crease. And an easy strike. He's a tall boy, he's got good reach.
Manish Pandey miscues that. Fielder takes it. Holy moly, look at the celebration. Devdutt Padikkal celebrates. That tells you how big a wicket this is.
Aggression between Manish Pandey and Vaishak. And suddenly, Manish feels that he has to prove a point. Hit a 6, but instead he finds the fielder.
Impression of being... I don't think he's got good bat on that. Oh, wow! It looked like a slice.
What a beautiful shot. An exquisite extra cover drive. Races along this magnificent outfield. Touched every blade of grass on the way to the boundary. Extremely good shot this by the youngster Karthikeya. Anishwar Gautam, 24 not out. Beautifully played this. Has it gone all the way? No, just a bounce and over the boundary cushions. He's really playing well, making full use of that dropped opportunity that he got. Vinay Kumar, a happy coach. Has he got it in the gap? Yes, he has. Equal to the task. Karthikeya matching Anishwar Gautam shot for shot. Monish Reddy is distraught, but Karthikeya played that. That's nicely struck over the top. Has it gone all the way? Yes, it has. A brilliant hit this by the youngster, showing everyone here what he's capable of doing. Ground for a huge hit.
You might be your best bowler in the state, but I am the best batter in the junior cricket. Let me take you on. Karthikeya has taken Vaishak Vijay Kumar. That's a magnificent timing from him.
7 now of 12 deliveries. Oh, beautifully struck. Absolutely sensational. Over extra cover. He's a special talent. A classy shot from a very classy player. Brings of the dugout. Just take a look at that.
Oh, stand still, Fazal. Look at the follow through. Look at the position. Head still. Flash it very hard.
Sharan Gaud pulls it away. Will he come back for 2? Will he get the boundary? Yes, he does! That's the victory for the defending champions. They've played like champions this evening, and they thoroughly deserve this win. There it is. Tipper Reddy left early. Mohammad Taha didn't contribute today, but Srijit put his hand up and said, I'll do it for you, skipper. 51 for him. His partnership.
Not much of the bowling. In fact, Vaishak 2 for 30. Monish was very impressive, Fazal.
It's a victory this. There's the match summary in match 6. Gulbarga Mystics put into bat 158 for 9 in 20 overs. Devdutt Padikkal 46. Lavneet Sisodia 39.